Hi, I'm Orman Beckles and welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Talk. Henry, what is the question you'd like me to answer in this video?
Hello Orman. This question is from Albert. He asks, how do I change the static picture that is shown in a Zoom call when my webcam is off and I'm not showing any video?
Good question. I've been asked that about 5 times this week alone. To change it, we need to make our goal to change the photo associated with our profile. We can change that in one of 2 places. The first is to change it on the Zoom website. Go to www.zoom.com. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, look for the word sign in, give it a click, enter your login information. Your login information will be your email address and the password you gave when you set up your Zoom account. If for some reason you've forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot Password link and Zoom will email you a link to reset it. On the left-hand side of the screen, the first item that you'll see under the word Personal is Profile. Click it. Bob's your uncle. You'll see the options to add a picture if you don't already have a picture, or change and delete if you do have one. Some computers will allow you to take a new picture using the computer's webcam. If you are not presented with that option, then you'll have to choose from a picture on your computer. If you added it successfully, you're all done. If you get an error message when you try to add your picture, it may be because the file size exceeds the maximum size of 2 megabytes. If you're not sure how to check this, or you are having trouble, then I suggest that you use the second method of adding a picture, since it will take a new picture and you can avoid this issue.
What is the second method?
The second method is similar to the first, but this time we are going to do it on our phone, tablet, or iPad. If you haven't already, you'll need to load the Zoom application on your phone or iPad. The app is available in the Apple Store, or if you have an Android device, it's available in the Google Play Store. If you have questions about how to load the app, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you.
Thanks. Let's assume that they already have the app loaded on their device. What's next?
Open the app. Look for the word Settings, or look for the icon that looks like a gear. In many cases, you'll see the gear icon with the word Settings below it.
Got it.
You'll see your name at the top of the screen as well as your account type. For most people, it will say Basic. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see an icon. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right, or some people might call it the greater than sign. Give it a click. You'll then see the words Profile Photo. Again, you'll see that arrow or greater than sign. Again, give it a click. You'll now be given the option to choose a photo on your phone or iPad, or to take a photo using the front-facing camera in your device. Congratulations, you now have a photo.
Thanks, Orman. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and to get more quick tips like this, please press the subscribe button. And be sure to click the bell icon so you don't miss a video.
If you like more in-depth videos, please join me on my main channel, the Hi Tech Nomad. Until the next time, this is Orman Beckles, and you've been watching another 2-Minute Tech Talk.